Hindi naman nila napaliwanag kung bakit securities.
Sa page number 3, paragraph 1, it is our position that P2P transactions, okay, are in the nature of securities. Comment, attorney.
Okay, yung first paragraph muna tayo. Oo. Masasabi natin doon sa first paragraph, LOL. No? It is
Sige, bakit LOL?
it is in the nature of securities daw. It is their position. It is in the nature of securities. Hindi naman nila napaliwanag kung bakit securities. So it's just a conclusory allegation. At nakakatawang marinig to sa, sorry, with due respect kasi professional colleague nga pala. Pero it is really laughable to say for somebody to argue that something is a security without even